So how you can upload a file using robot class? So robot class is the predefined Java class, which is available in the java.awt package. There are many classes are available. So I'm writing a simple reusable method, building a reusable method. Public static void upload file with robot string file path. You have to give which file you want to upload. That file you give input to this method. Then create object for string selection class. This class also available under java.awt package. You can see here. So java.awt.data transfer.string selection. So then we have you have to copy this file to clipboard. So system clipboard, if you copy, so that you can paste it easy. That is the one I'm going to do here. So how we can do? Let's see here. So clipboard equal to toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get system clipboard. Get system clipboard. And so clipboard dot set contents. The string selection you set, and second part you give null. Second part you don't need to. That means this will copy this part, these two lines will copy to system clipboard. That means your computer control C done with these two lines. So control C means you can paste anywhere, right? That is what happened in these three lines, first three lines. You're copying this file path location. Then create object for robot class. Robot class is the Java class. Robot class is the Java class. For that class, you create object. Then you pass the object reference equal to new robot. Object you assign the value to robot reference variable. Robot dot delay. So this one, when you need to call this method is when the window opened in your web page, that windows are not handled by Selenium. Windows are not handled by Selenium. In the web pages, when you click on attach file or that one, right? That one is not handled by Selenium. Those windows are not handled by Selenium. Then how can you handle? How can you upload the files? And you can use the robot class is one option for us. That we are using here. So robot dot delay. So just wait for some time. Then robot dot key press key event dot wiki underscore enter. That means you're pressing the enter key in this. So let me show you the directive. For example, I'm showing one example. So you take any compose button. See, this is the attach will be there, right? Here, attach will be there. So this is attach. When you click on attach, so you will get this window. This window is not handled by Selenium. So click, it's okay. This is a web element. You can do with the Selenium. But once you get this window is not handled by Selenium. For that purpose only, we are using this robot class. So vk.enter means it will go and press here in this field. Then once you press the enter key, you release the key. For releasing, key release is there. For pressing, key press is there. It's all in the robot class, these methods. Non-static methods. That's why object reference dot non-static method you are calling. And you have to give an input which key you want to press. And key release. Sorry, you release that key. Whatever the key you pressed on the first step, you release the key. So then cursor will be here. Cursor will be here. Now you paste your file path. Already we did a control C, we did, right? That you paste it. So that you paste it. How can you paste? Control V, right? Control V you can do. That control is a one key, V is another key. You press the both keys. robot dot key press key event dot week underscore control. Robot dot key press key event dot week underscore v. So I pressed the control V. Then I need to release now. Robot dot key release key event dot week underscore v. Robot dot key release key event dot week underscore control. So then press the enter key. So once you paste it, then the focus is here. Then it will press. The file will be added to you. That's how you can upload the files. So this is the press the enter key again and release the enter. So this is how you can upload the files using robot class. Let's go and see that quickly. Upload files using robot. This one, file upload. So I'm just taking a file upload file from the. So this is the file. I need to see this file is present or not. I think this file is not there, but we have to give which file present. That file you have to give. So without that file you cannot upload. So I'll change this file because I cleared up all the things. I'll show you. But another file I'll give. You have to give file for the method, right? That file we have to. So I'm using this. So monster registration page. There you can upload files. See here you have a file upload concept. See, this is the one, right? You have a choose file. If you click on this choose file, you will get a window. This window you have to upload. This window, your file you need to upload. So that's how we are calling the robot class. When you get this window, that time you need to call the file upload with robot class. Okay. Let's see that how we did. So we identified this choose file. So you can use your relative XPath here. See, can you see relative XPath? You can use this relative XPath. This is the first one you can use. If you are not clear and how to write XPath for this, you can use this. So this one and copy from here relative XPath. You don't need to struggle. If you don't know, I have given different techniques. Any one technique you apply. So to identify that. But in the interviews, they will ask you to write the XPath for these things. That's why you need to practice. But even you can practice here that relative locator. See below, above, left to right to all these things, right? You can do that. Practice any website you take, you can practice. Okay, so that's the code I'm going to show you now. So click on choose file button. So this is the XPath I used, and I clicked on that. I'm clicking on that. See, I clicked on that. So once I click on that, I'm waiting some time. Then utility dot upload file with robot file path you're passing. The path I need to change this file because this file is not there. So I'll give a different file. I'll go to D drive. Some file I'll give. Java programs. You have a lot of files here, right? Any file. So this is the Java file. I'll give some Java file. Compare triplets. I'll give this. Compare triplets.java. Or reverse string also. Any file you give, not a problem. Just one file but you have to give file extension also. Make sure you give file extension. So take this file. copy the file .java. This is the file you have to, with extension you have to give, complete file path you have to give. So then you're calling utility .upload file with robot. So you're giving this file path. So this file you're uploading. Then so wait dot until expected conditions, invisibility of element located. There is a one you will get a one spinner. That spinner you have to wait for the invisibility of that spinner. So once you wait for that, then so it will upload. So that's what we are doing. So let's go and do that same and run the program first. So whether it is uploading or not, you can see that. I'm just replacing all of them with proper. Okay, here some important points are there. Okay, how to disable the notifications. This is the code. I want to give this code. I'll copy only important. This code only I'll practice. I'll copy from here to here. So this one I have to just give in the inside the Chrome driver. So below. So disable any notifications are there. It is how you can disable your browser notifications. So Chrome browser notifications or any browser notifications. You have to use Chrome options. If you want to disable no notifications in the Firefox, create object for Firefox options class, then options dot. So add arguments hyphen disable notifications. So this you can comment out because so we are using options here. Parameterizer constructor we are using. Chrome options object you have to pass to disable these notifications. So which method you are using to set that? Add arguments. You will get the notifications in the browsers, right? This is how you will disable notifications. Hyphen disable hyphen notifications. Please remember this. So this is also sometimes asked in the interviews. And let's give this class name file upload. So let's go to actions. I'll mention here class testng programs dot class. I'll comment out the first one. So let's run this. So run as Maven build. So if the file is uploading or not, you can watch. You can even verify that file is there or not also, the same file name. It will click on the choose file. See, so that one, and the file is going to paste there. Pasted, same. So that's the file we have given, right? And it will press the open button. So not able to press open. So we need to notice that. Okay, let's run this again. It's always problem with the Firefox browser these days, but you can run on Chrome browser also. Anything is fine. Run as I haven't build. Do that. One more time I'm running. Let's see. So please remember, uploading files directly not possible with Selenium, because there is no option in Selenium to upload files. You have to use either Java code, or if there is an option to type, you can use send keys method. If there is no option to type in the Gmail, the attach icon, there is no option to type your path, the file path. That's why you cannot use send keys method there. But sometimes there is an option to type, so that it will be easy for you. It will be easy for you to upload. So that's not clicking. So let's run on Chrome. So we'll see where it is working on the Chrome or not. Let's see how easy to switch between the browsers. If you write that a setup code if else conditions, it's very easy to just toggling in the XML file, just changing the value, browser parameter value to Chrome, from Firefox to Chrome. See, it is launching. It closed, and you got upload valid file. It is saying valid.java is not accepting. So this also conditions you have to write. Okay, these conditions also you have to write. Maybe I'll give txt file, some txt file. Let me give you what txt file will give. The txt file. This I'll give. So valid file we have to upload. .java is not supported there. That's why it is. So you're getting error. So that condition you have to write. If it is no, you got a valid file. You know that error, right? That you have to write your code logic here. You build it. If you get so the text you get it. The text you get it. The text is there. Then so we uploaded invalid file. Else uploaded correct file. That you can try it out. So they clearly mentioned, if the file type is, maybe you can write all these file types also. You can get the file dot get name ends with the dot txt dot pdf dot, then only you can upload the files. Other files don't. This is the one I was talking. The spinner is there, right? That spinner. Now it is uploaded. See, these are the type of things you can write. Some logic you need to improve here. So then that is going to be easy. Yeah. So that's it. Any questions? So one more is left. Tomorrow we can finish that.